Hello everyone. Welcome to another episode of Versatile Chef. Today was a very rainy day. There was a tornado warning and it was raining all day. So I was just craving some appetizer called Unniyappam. Unniyappam was a very traditional sweet or dessert, I don't know, snack, something like that. We always eat Unniyappam as a snack or appetizer or any time of the day. Especially we make during a festival called Vishu. So today was Vishu and I was thinking, okay, maybe this is a good time. It's rainy day, so we all crave for something that's fried, right? So I was thinking to make Unniyappam. So let's get inside and start making some Unniyappam. So Unniyappam is like very close to my heart. Whenever I miss my home and India and my hometown Kerala, I try to make something from that place, very just confined to that place. So it gives me a good feeling. Sometimes I miss my mom and make something that she makes a lot of time. So I took 1 cup of rice flour and half cup of suji or rava, and I'm just sauteing it so that the raw smell goes away just for few minutes, and that should be okay. Just to get that raw smell go away. I'm going to add 2 banana mashed. So I'm just using our normal banana, but in India we can use any type of banana. I'm using this potato masher. So this one I usually use for making mashed potato and it's coming out really well. But trust me, if you can use your hands and mash the potato banana, that's the perfect way. I'm just using it so I can show you guys. Okay, it's mashed well. I am adding a pinch of cardamom and 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. Sesame seeds is really good. It gives a nutty crunch to the Unniyappam. If you don't have sesame seeds, it's okay. Totally optional. If you have roasted coconut, you can also add 1 tablespoon of roasted coconut to it. This is just like how we make banana nut bread. Except banana nut bread is baked and this is fried in oil, but we can also try baking it. Last time I used a waffle maker and baked some of the Unniyappam. It came out very well actually. Okay, this is good. I have the molasses ready. So for the molasses I used a very simple technique. I just pour some water, 2 pieces of molasses and microwave for 3 minutes, and this is how I got it. So I have to just filter it and add to the banana mixture. Adding the flour, few tablespoons at a time. I added 4. Now I'm going to pour in the molasses a little bit. Mix it up. Look at that color, so dark already. Mix it up. This is well mixed, and to this, this is a little thick, so I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of coconut milk mixed with 2 tablespoons of water. So this is the coconut milk I'm using. You can use any canned coconut milk or you can use fresh coconut milk also, but I'm just using the canned coconut milk. And to that I'm also adding 3 pappadam soaked in water. So if you don't have papad, you don't have to add this. It's totally optional. I'm adding this to give a really soft texture to the unniyappam. This is a secret recipe. So unniyappam, this, trust me, this gives a really good texture to the unniyappam. Okay, I have to add a little bit of salt, a pinch of baking soda, mix it and keep it for 1 hour. Half teaspoon of salt and a tiny pinch of baking soda. This much. That's it. Mix it up. Keep it for 1 hour. You can also start making it after half an hour. Ideally, I will keep it for an hour just to get all the flavors settled in. So you have to make sure the dough is the right consistency, just like our cake batter dough or the banana nut bread dough. I need to share that recipe of that banana nut bread. It came out really good the other day. I'm using a unniyappam chatti here, but you can use any iron skillet and pour oil and scoop this dough and fry the unniyappam. You don't really need the unniyappam chatti. Since I have the unniyappam chatti, I'm using it here, and you can make up to 7 unniyappam at a time. So that's like you need to fry them in batches. So my unniyappam is ready. This is a very crispy unniyappam, and you can keep it in airtight container for up to 1 week. I hope everybody loved my recipe of unniyappam. Please give it a try and subscribe to my channel. Until next recipe, bye bye.